Good morning, dreamers. Anne Marie here with Big Dreams Homestead, and I am on day 7. Look, I have 2 hands today. Day 7 of straw bale gardening, and today we do nitrogen on them, and then so I'm going to do a half a cup of nitrogen on each bale. Then we water it in. So I'm going to get started here. Okay, so I got the nitrogen spread out on the bales. I'm going to go ahead and give them a water. Okay, now that the watering's done, I'm going to go ahead and take some temperatures of the bales, and I will post that for you guys. So bale 1 is 126.2. Bale 2 is 67.4. It's still dropping. Bale 2 is about 66 degrees. Okay, bale 3 is about 62 degrees. Bale 4 is about 64 degrees. Bale number 5 is about 69 degrees. And it looks like bale number 6 is about 131 degrees. So I'm kind of concerned about those bales that are not heating up. If some of you experienced people have some suggestions on whether or not I could still plant in them. Like I said, those are the 4 bales that I got for half off because they weren't tightly packed. So if you have any suggestions on whether or not I could still use them, if there's anything else I could be doing to help them heat up to break down, if I should even be concerned, I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and water my potatoes here. Not too much because it's been raining quite a bit lately, but and I will check back in with you guys tomorrow. Hey there, dreamers. So I am out here again in the garden, or the soon-to-be garden, I hope. And just today is day 8, and it's water only. And I wanted to show you too that I had cut holes in that tarp back there. I think you can see that. So I had cut holes in it. Still, there's some water that's staying on the top, and I don't want to cut too many holes in it because then it won't block out the weeds, which is what I wanted it to do. Don't know if there'll be much weeds. We have some grass under there, but mainly back behind the garden area was a bunch of wild blackberries that were growing, and we want to prevent those from growing up into the garden. I could pull weeds, but I don't want to have to deal with blackberries. So I think what I'm going to do is we have some white pine chips, and I think that once we get the fence around this, then I'll just put white pine chips down. to help soak up whatever water does remain on the surface, so that I won't slip and fall. But anyhow, today is water only, so I'm going to go ahead and get the watering done, and I will check back in with you guys tomorrow.